It's time for bookkeeping, beer, and BS. I want to make one comment about the bundling and the packages that I think is really important. And I see people fall off of this cliff too often, which is you don't need to discount the shit out of everything. Like part of the bundle or the package is convenience and making it easy for them. I see so many people sacrifice profit for the sake of a bigger job size, a bigger ticket, that they end up giving all the benefit away. And
okay, so can we talk about that? Because I
yeah,
feel like
please.
I'm very much in this place right now. So I want to hear your thoughts about it because to be totally honest, I am literally throwing spaghetti at the wall. And I told my admin, I was like, I might regret this in 2 weeks and be like, I screwed myself. Like we were going to talk about cash flow. So I want to talk about that for a second. The membership to me is so sexy. Like this idea of one of my favorite books of all time is John Warlow, The Automatic Customer. And I just haven't been able to figure out how to apply that to window cleaning. And so I think the membership is the way you apply it. This idea that your customer pays you on a regular frequency under a service agreement for a thing. And in California, that thing can't be a service because once they pay me for a service, I owe them that service forever. And that just makes my mind
That's
crazy.
A California state law?
Yeah, so gift cards never expire in California.
I thought gift cards could never, federally could never expire if they paid for the gift card. Like coupons can expire, but gift cards can't. I thought that was national.
Oh, okay. Well, then my thought is isn't that true for other things too? If you're paying me for a service that you never get, then don't I owe you for that service forever?
Yeah. But I mean, when, I guess I'm confused. When would somebody pay you for a thing and you wouldn't deliver it? Right? Like you're out. If
my thought was what if you did window cleaning and so we're totally, neither Dan or I know. So if you're listening, this is us being super vulnerable and we're going to talk it out.
We're going to figure this shit out right now.
And it's going to be super fun.
Yeah.
We're experts. You can trust us. Totally. So the idea is if you pay for, so I don't know. I kept getting stuck. This idea of I want 4 window cleanings a year. And I know that that's going to be $2,000 and I'm going to pay it on a monthly rate. And then my fear was what if they don't book the 4 window cleanings? Then I owe them one. How long do I owe them one?
Yes, it's this credit that hangs out on their account. And is there a deadline for when you have to deliver it by?
And if we use the gift card method, I can't put a deadline on it.
I don't think you need to put a deadline on it. I think you can just leave a credit hanging out on their account. And if they never use it, you credit it back. Or just it's hanging out there and you're like, hey, you still have $300 hanging out on your account. You need those gutters cleaned. Or I think the nice thing is you at least you can always be like, hey, we're coming out next week to clean your windows. You already paid for this thing. We agreed to do this thing for you. Yeah, we were at that point, you're not waiting for them to say, hey, all right, it's time for me to use my 4th window cleaning. You're reaching out and you're wearing the pants, right? And you're saying, hey, we're coming out to do your 4th window cleaning. And then it's automatically going to renew after that.